In this unit, students will develop their speaking skills in Spanish. Students will be able to give relevant and appropriate information, convey opinions and interact while learning about 2 of the 4 general topic areas. The 4 general areas of study are the following: youth matters, lifestyle, health and fitness, environment and travel, education and employment. In this unit, students will develop their listening, reading and writing skills in Spanish, in the 4 topic areas. In the listening, students will listen to a range of recordings. They will have to remember information and respond to a range of questions. Students will be given the recording materials so they can listen to the recordings as many times as they like. In the reading, students will read authentic printed materials written in Spanish and will respond to a range of questions. This assessment tests their reading and comprehension skills. In the writing, students will write a 280 words essay in one of the areas of study. They have to answer 4 bullet points using a wide range of tenses, giving and justifying opinions.